power protection shouldn't be a guessing game. The XRT Series by UPS Solutions. For every power requirement. From compact online systems for essential loads to high-efficiency systems for commercial sites, including all-in-one lithium solutions and robust three-phase systems for growing sites, with modular platforms that scale as your infrastructure grows, through to industrial-grade solutions for demanding environments. XRT, one range, every load. UPS Solutions, power, racks, cooling, simplified.